Okay, so we set our clock back an hour last night, so it is currently 4 a.m. as we make our way into Ketchikan. So yes, if you're coming into Alaska on the Star Princess, you will have to set your clock back an hour. Hey everyone, this is Aaron from ARD Cruising, and welcome to day 3 of our first ever cruise to Alaska aboard the Star Princess. And here is our first port day in Ketchikan. We are in Ketchikan, Alaska. Temperature is currently 51 degrees. Welcome to Ketchikan, Alaska. Okay, we are at berth 4. Alright, so we just came off the ship, just walked straight over to the road here. We're gonna head south, see if we can find some salmon. When you have a global reach, as soon as you get off the cruise ship, there's the free shuttle to Walmart. Alright, we are heading towards the tunnel here. There's the Star Princess, the New Amsterdam, and I'm not quite sure what that one is yet, but let's keep walking. Yeah! Alright, we have walked up Grant Street, just coming out of the tunnel. And you come up a hill. Really nice view from up here. And you can still see the snow-capped mountains. Very pretty up here. Alright, we walked a little more in the parking lot here. We're up the hill.
Yes,
Just a incredible view up here. And all we did was just walk up the hill a little bit, up Grand Street. Found a parking lot and we're just exploring. And there's stairs. So we found this plaque walking down the stairs for Agnes Edmond. And here's a photo, 1911, of the church right at the bottom of the stairs. Here, just on the other side of the salmon ladder. Alright, we're going to be taking my trail here. See if we can catch some salmon. Yeah, there it is. National Register of Historic Places, Star House. Nice. And Star Gallery.
Pieces like that in the back, reserved, covered with these.
That's a wild collection of stuff. Salmon, jerky, reindeer, octopus, spices, books, caviar, kelp pickles. Over at the Salmon Landing Market, right by Berth 1. I'm in the Great Alaskan Souvenir and Gift. Alright, so we walked in the souvenir shop here, and they have some of the funniest shirts I've come across. Here's the bears. Commas save lives. And the common bear attack. These are good. Here's some more good ones. Bear attack tip. If attacked, play dead. It will be good practice for when you die a few minutes later. It's white, say goodnight. It's right next to the Great Alaskan Souvenir and Gifts. There's the Miners Gym. Let me show you what I got free in there. So I'm here by Berth 1 and Miners Gyms, and they give a free collectible coin at each stop you go to. So you just got to go in and ask for it, and it was free. They will try to sell you jewelry. It is a jewelry store, but the coin was free. There's the Silver Seas Silver Moon and the Carnival Miracle. Oh, there it is. Once we were back on board, we went to our cabin and just kind of looked outside the balcony as we were leaving Ketchikan, and there's a couple shots we caught. Ah, tubing in Alaska. Who knew? Oh wow, just spotted a house on this tiny little island here. There's a little dock to get them on it. Way to get in or out, hidden in the trees. That's pretty cool. That night in the theater was a tribute to Elvis. It was Dan Middleditch. The guy was amazing, has an incredible amount of energy. Highly recommend the show. He is not an Elvis impersonator. It is a tribute show to Elvis.
Let this marinate for a second. Everything on stage is real, the hair and the sweat. All right, let's get serious. Let's get serious for a second. Let's bring this train back in the station. Here we go. Ain't nothing but a hound dog, I say that. Keep crying all the time. You know what a hound dog is all the time. Too late. I'm all sick of
Every night on a Princess cruise, specifically the Star Princess, you will get a patter, which is the list of activities for the next day, and in that patter we'll have things you have to do or certain important information. We did not see the one before our Ketchikan day, so when we came back, our cabin steward told us that we had to fill out this. One of the things you're going to receive is a Canadian declaration card for customs that you have to fill out, and it's got to be done by day 3, the day you are in Ketchikan. So that evening you've got to turn it into your room steward or have it in your cabin for the second turn down service. So he just came by, we didn't fill ours out yet, so he's coming by and told us it has to be done tonight. So if you're going on the Star Princess, it's really important that you look for this document. They actually needed it by 6 p.m. the day of we were in Ketchikan. Luckily, our cabin steward caught us. We had time to fill it out and handed it back to them real quickly. But if you're coming on the Star Princess, just know that this document is coming. It will come the night before Ketchikan, so on your day 2, that evening. For us, we weren't having the second turn down service, so they were sliding it under the door. Make sure you grab that and fill that out so you could have it ready for the cabin steward on day 3 when you're in Ketchikan having fun. And that was the end of day 3. Another wonderful day on our Alaskan cruise. Ketchikan was wonderful. Just had a great time there. It was a really fun port to explore. I had never been there, so we just walked around and enjoyed the city itself. If you like the content, please make sure you like and subscribe below. I'll be working on day 4 next, release that in the next few days. And I'm going to leave you with this video here. It is 9 p.m. Day 3. We have left Ketchikan. We are on our way to Endicott Arm Glacier. Until next time, happy cruising!